She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, since it's been feeling very summery out, I decided that I wanted to film a little glowy, lightweight, summer, skin safe makeup thing, what I've been wearing lately. Okay, so I already washed my face. And I also cleaned it again after with this micellar water just to make sure everything was off of my face. Okay, I promised myself I was going to stop saying in my videos. So next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take this tea tree oil, the Body Shop skin clearing mattifying toner, and just rub that all over my face. I like to use this because tea tree apparently kills bacteria or something. And I do have problematic skin. I used to have really bad skin. So I could do another video on that too, but after I cleared my skin, I do like have some problem areas here. It's usually just in like that area, and I always get them right here because my laugh lines or smile lines are so deep. So I have to make sure that's nice and clean. But this helps out a lot with that on drying out like the little tiny bumps. After I do that, I go in with this Pixie Glow Mist. It does have a lot of oils in it, and I just got my lashes done this morning, so I'm not going to spray it, but this thing is like my holy grail. It makes my skin so soft. I've probably gone through like 4 of these this year alone. What is it? Oh, is that even that many? I don't know. I've gone through a lot of these. I noticed that they have like the bigger size, but I've been trying to find it and I can't find it anywhere. So instead of spraying this, I'm just going to spray it directly on my skin and then rub it in. I don't know if that's weird, but that's what I'm doing. I'm so scared. I don't want to ruin these. I waited so long to get them. This is also really good at moisturizing your skin. I have very, very sensitive skin, so I like to be careful what I put on my skin because I break out and I get hives for anything that's like too strong, or what is it, too, I don't know what kind of word goes there, but too something. And of course there's Peanut. He's got his little purple bandana on today. Okay, after that, I do live in Southern California, so I go a bit heavy with the sunscreen just because I'm very fair. I don't want to get age spots or sunburn. Also, it's really hot, so I don't like to wear a lot of stuff because then I'll just sweat it off anyways. So first I go in with my moisturizer. I use the Simple Light moisturizer. This already has SPF in it. I wear this every day. I keep saying even though I said I wasn't gonna say I wear this every single day. It's super simple. I guess that's why they named it that. Really good for sensitive skin. They used to have a heavy moisturizer for the day that also had SPF in it, and when I was on Accutane I used that every day, and I love that one, and I wish they still sold it because I'd much rather have that one than this one. It does smell like SPF, but it's kind of hard to get around that kind of scent without covering it up with a different fragrance, so I'm fine with just the SPF. It wears off. It's not like it's on there all day. And then after that, I go in with another SPF, the Glossier Invisible Shield Daily Sunscreen. This one's 35 sunscreen. My dad is like a sunscreen fanatic, I swear. He used to yell at me for not going out with sunscreen on. But now, look at me now, Dad. I'm wearing sunscreen. Okay. So that completes the base before I actually get started with the makeup. He is so tired from the day. He doesn't even do anything. I don't know why he sleeps all the time. Is that normal? Do your guys' dogs sleep all the time? Because that's all he does. During the summer, I don't tend to wear a lot of foundation. And I know some girls will click right off the video as soon as they hear that. I'm using a tinted SPF, but a good alternative is this L'Oreal one. the Pro Glow, and also the infallible, what is it, 24-hour fresh wear. These are both really good for the summertime because they're so thin. They don't cake on at all and it doesn't feel like you're having stuff all over your face all day. So those are alternatives, but I will be using this CeraVe SPF tinted sunscreen. So it's the third sunscreen I'm wearing. I have been seeing a lot of TikToks about this sunscreen lately. So if you try to go out and buy it, you literally can't find it anywhere. So I guess just order it on Amazon if you really want to try it. It is very lightweight. It's also very sheer. So if you're someone who likes coverage, this is not going to be for you. You could use it as a priming base though, I guess, if you really wanted to. So basically what I do, it's kind of thick. So I squeeze out just a little tiny bit, like that much. And also I'm going to be applying it with my fingers. I know a lot of people don't like that. But trust me, it works out a lot better this way just because it is basically a sunscreen with color in it, with pigment in it. Okay, so I take it, I kind of like warm it up between my fingers like this. And then I just kind of press it all over just to get it dispersed everywhere. On my nose. And then I just kind of rub it in. It does have a very glowy finish. It's not matte whatsoever. Also, it is like a one tint fits all kind of thing. So if you are super pale, I wouldn't recommend this at all because it's not going to be light enough for you. But that's just my personal experience. This doesn't match me at all when I don't have like a little bit of a tan, which I know I'm pale right now, but I can be paler, trust me. Also, sometimes if I wear this and I don't feel like going and getting a tan or fake tanning, I'll literally just take like those tanning drops and I'll mix them with my lotion and then rub it literally from here up. So at work I have like a v-neck on. People won't make fun of me for my face not matching my body. Yeah, see, it is very glowy. I am going to cover these little spots with concealer. It mostly just covers redness. I've never been really the type to like full coverage. I've never been too concerned with covering all my blemishes. I don't know, that's just my preference. I don't mind my skin showing through. And then I of course just take it down my neck as well. So I was told that if you don't put sunscreen on your neck, you're gonna have a nice face and a hanging neck. And I don't want to look like a rooster, so I'm just gonna, you know. Next up is concealer. This one's my favorite. It's the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. It's kind of almost out, as you can tell. This is a really good dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape. I don't know where mine went. But yeah, it's like $6 I think at Rite Aid. I go to Rite Aid for all my drugstore makeup because no one ever goes there, so they're never out of anything. However, I also saw this one on TikTok, and once something goes viral on TikTok, it's really hard to find it in the stores. So good luck if you want this. And then I don't like concealing under my eyes because I don't know if you can see, I have these little wrinkles right there and the concealer gets stuck in it and it looks really bad. So I just do it right here on this side to lift my eyes up. And this will highlight too. Okay, and that's all I'm gonna do. For the spot concealer, just because it's too light, I'm gonna use this beauty blender that I rarely ever wash. So it has product already in it, so when I blend it out, it kind of blends in with the product that's already on there. So then look, it's not too bright, you know? Just because I'm lazy and I don't want to go buy another concealer. And like, that's not completely covered, but I'm not upset about that, so For some reason, I don't know why, I get a ton of redness around my nose. If anyone knows what that's from, can you tell me? Apparently when you conceal right here, it brings your face up more. I don't really see a difference. But I do it anyways, because what if someone else does see a difference? That's what you gotta watch out for. Peanut, you don't want to be in my video anymore? Come here. Come here. Come here, buddy. You say hi to them? Say hi, buddy. He's a little camera shy. Okay, after that, you already know, everyone already uses this. I really like this powder, but I hate how messy it is. And also, I'm not sure if it's supposed to have these little tabs here. But mine has those. So I just powder my nose because I'm an oily bitch. So I just do like my T-zone because I want to look glowy. I don't want to look sweaty. I don't want to look oily. I want to look glowy. Wait, has this lighting been like this the whole video? Is this, I can't tell if this is bad or not. This is the best I got. So I hope that's fine with everyone. On to the next. What do I do? What do I do? Okay. I'm not a fan of wearing bronzer just because it usually looks orange on me. I haven't found one that either doesn't look orange or doesn't look muddy. And I don't like either one of those, so I just stick to not wearing it sometimes. I'll wear it when I like go out, just because it's dark and you can't see my face as well. I think we've all been there. So I just use this Milani one. It's Berry Amore. It is kind of pigmented though, so just make sure you don't put too much on. And I just start right here and then I blend it that way. Blend it this way, and of course, some of you want to look sun-kissed. I do the bridge of my nose, and then I also do like the tip. That's my whole nose. For the eyes, if I didn't just get my lashes done, I would put something on my eyes. This is what I would be putting on. It's Pixie. I love the Pixie brand. I have this, and I found the cutest little quad. It's just glitter, and it's so cute. It's chunky glitter. It's not like the fine glitter. This one's fine. This is fine glitter, and it has like color in it. But this is so cute. I would be wearing this. You put it on your eyelids, and it's like those liquid colors, the liquid eyeshadow, and it is so pretty. Looks like that. How pretty is that? And then the best trick ever when you want to look glowy but not sweaty is you take your highlighter. This is mine, MAC Soft and Gentle. You take it and you put it literally just all over your face. So I just do my cheekbones. I bring it down onto my cheek over the blush that I applied. And I put it around like this in the high points. I don't put it in my T-zone, obviously, because why would I have powdered it if I wanted it to look shiny? And then I do a little bit on my nose like that, just to blend it, and then I concentrate that as well. Really, on camera? You licking your booty hole on camera? I would normally spray with this after. This works great as moisturizing and a setting spray. So all I'm saying is go get yourself some of this. It's so good, I promise you. So usually I would spray that. I'll wait a few days so my eyelashes don't come off. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You can complete the look. I'm gonna change the lighting so you can see it better. Probably take like a little pic for like the thumbnail or whatever. Do I do anything else? That's it. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe if you want. If you don't, that's okay. That's your business. gonna do like a little montage thing. So, bye guys.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to.
See, he's scared. Look at his little ear.